Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be going a little more in depth instead of just a quick right through it on how to create a bootable Windows 10 installation USB disk. I know I talked about this in my how to boot a Mac into boot camp video, but in this case, we're just going to go through how to simply make one because they can be very useful in cases like mine, where I just reinstalled Windows on this PC that I'm taking into my dorm room with me, or in cases where you do need a Windows flash drive for repairing a computer. So let's jump into it. So the first step to creating a Windows 10 USB installer is downloading the installation media creation tool. So we're going to download it. We're just going to click save. And now we're going to go to downloads. Now that we're in downloads, we're going to run media creation tool. So we'll drag this over here. And this is actually a really easy process, and I know I explained this in my bootcamp video, but we're just going to do it here again just so that we have a clear mark. So this is basically all the terms and conditions. We're going to click accept. Now make sure the drive you're going to use is plugged in and empty and that you know the name of it. So in my case, the drive's label is new volume because of the fact that I've formatted this drive before and I had to create a partition on it so that I could use this. So we're going to click create installation media now, and we're going to click next and just use the recommended options, and next again, and we're going to do USB flash drive, and then next, and we just select it right here, CF new volume, next, and now it's going to do it. And we'll fast forward through this. Now that the drive is ready, you can use it to boot up a computer that you're reinstalling Windows on, or you can use it for a virtual machine, or yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. This video is a little different than others, but like I know you guys seem to like the walkthrough type of videos because those are the ones that seem to get the most views on my channel and a lot of feedback from you guys. So if you like this video, drop a like. Let's shoot for 1,000 likes, and then click up here to subscribe and up here to watch my college mini-series playlist, where I showed you guys my new MacBook Pro, where I showed you guys how to wipe an old MacBook. In my case, I was wiping my old one for my brother. And then the upgrades and stuff I did to this Windows PC that's right here. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.